This Berkshire Hathaway Home Services RW Towne Realty property video is presented by Frank Trigger. Quality new construction in desirable Michaels Woods. Builder's model loaded with upgrades. Open concept floor plan with first floor guest suite and private bathroom. Chef's kitchen with quartz countertops, custom cabinetry, stainless steel appliances, exposed range hood, pendant and recessed lighting. Attractive luxury vinyl flooring throughout the first floor and all bathrooms. Ceramic tile shower in the primary bathroom. Rannai tankless water heater. Crown molding. Upgraded board and batten exterior. Covered front porch. Convenient access to interstates, bases, shipyard, nature parks, shopping and restaurants. All new homes include a 1-year builder's warranty. Delivery January 2025. There are a limited number of lots, so call today. November 21, 2024. For more information, review the details below or contact Frank Trigger at 757-470-1139.